Engineer, what will you do?
I can't understand.
Engineer बनने के बाद क्या करोगे?
I can make new things,
What is it?
new designs, new things.
What is your height?
Favorite actress.
What is
Katrina
your
Kaif.
height?
Yes.
What is your height?
I don't measure it. Sorry.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Jubin Natiyal. Jubin Natiyal.
Favorite song?
Why do you like Jubin Natiyal? Who is your
I like
favorite?
so many songs. All are my favorites.
Which is the most you listen?
What is Jubin Natiyal also.
Love is in life.
Yes.
What is connected?
Who is your favorite personality?
My favorite personality is Hindi.
Question. What is difference between love and hate? Question.
Love.
What is the
Difference between love and ask one by one. You people putting to all questions.
What is difference between love and hate?
There are many different love and hate. Love, if we care anybody, it's called love. If we don't care, we ignore her, then it is hate.
What is difference between love and affection?
No, I don't know.
Okay, what is hope?
Sir, if
What is the difference?
hope means, sir, if we hope someone that he can do my work, yes, it means hope.
But don't you think it's a belief that he can do rather
Sir,
than a
if
hope?
we have 50%, then that it's called hope. If we have 100% that he can do, then it's called belief.
No, it's the wrong statement.
No, sir, we hope it.
Okay, favorite person in your family?
Favorite person, my father,
Why?
Why?
because I inspired my father.
Who is your favorite personality except your family?
Good question.
E.T.
Abdul Sattar Idi.
Abdul Salam.
What is your favorite color?
Favorite color?
Favorite color, my favorite color is black.
Why? I know.
Because I like
Who is your
black.
favorite
I like
friend?
black friend. That's why.
Who is your favorite actor?
Favorite actress.
Actor.
Actor. Favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan.
Why
And
do you like Shah Rukh Khan?
Yes.
Why do you like Shah Rukh Khan?
Because when I was a child, I saw Shah Rukh Khan movies. That's why I like Shah Rukh Khan.
Do you use TikTok?
No.
Why?
I hate TikTok. I hate
Did you
TikTok.
use Instagram?
Why?
Because I only play PUBG all time. That's why.
I know. You are.
Okay,
What is the full form of PUBG?
one thing tell me,
Who is your favorite teacher?
if you will not, you are, just a minute, just a
Failure
minute.
on
If
battleground.
you don't get your right choice for education, what is your plan B?
Sir, my plan. Sir, I want to go foreign countries, sir. England.
Do you think that your family allow you?
Yes, sir. My mom are also in foreign countries.
In which country?
England.
England.
Yes, sir.
What is difference between Facebook and Instagram?
I can't use, but I think that's all. Both are same.
For England, you need to do IELTS. So do you know something about IELTS?
Yes, sir.
What
No.
it is?
Sir, first I want to course IELTS. That's
Who is your
IELTS is
favorite?
the exam of English,
yes, sir. I know.
on which basis you go to the foreign country, international English language testing system.
Yes, sir. I know.
So how you start the preparation?
Sir, I joined center.
Which center?
Sir, Extreme Center.
Which is your habit?
Favorite habit.
Every day.
Hobby.
Hobby,
Who is
favorite
your
habit,
favorite friend?
any
Just gymming and mobile, using mobile.
mobile using. Don't you think that you are not giving
So
your
you play solo, team, or group?
I have my own squad. I have my own squad.
Who is the hardest person in this class?
You're the most
Sir, there are so many persons like Shahid is not naughty. Shahid is, I think, crazy. He's crazy.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Sattan.
Who is your best friend?
Who is your favorite person in this class?
Who is your best friend?
Sir, my favorite. No one is my favorite person.
Why English is important for us?
My English is important because English is an international language.
Why you learn English?
Because I want to be a mechanical engineer, and in universities teacher taught English. Everything in
English is important in universities and sorry, in engineering department.
Yes.
Why? Sorry,
Okay, what is your favorite hairstyle?
Sir, I don't like hairstyle.
Did you?
I just making.
Who is your
hairstyle like
best
Did you
friend?
hate when someone
Who is
touched
your best
hair?
friend?
No.
Did you hate when someone touched
Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? In girl and boys.
In center or anywhere?
No,
Anywhere.
Anywhere. Faizan. Faizan.
In center.
Okay,
If-
hold up. If you want to get kill anybody in this class, whom
Sir,
would you like to kill?
Sir, I want to kill Shahid because he is my big enemy.
There should be a reason. There should be a reason.
Sir, he is disturbing me.
Favorite actress?
Sir, he is disturbing me every time. In WhatsApp also and in class also.
Favorite actress?
Katrina Kaif.
Tell us some lines about your classmates.
Some lines.
Say,
Sir,
speak down.
be mature, please. You have a beard. You have to mature yourself. You are making noise, making fun everywhere. That's not good.
5% you inspired in our class.
5%. I have no 1%. Then you ask me 5%. No one.
Question. Okay, thank you.